In the workshop today, I've got an old Norton, 1938 model Norton. I'm just going to test its magneto. We'll put that spark plug into there, and we'll just earth it, and we'll see what sort of a spark we get. Now you'll see a spark jump across there. There. Another one. That spark is jumping about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm only turning it very slowly by hand. You can see there's a small gap between the points right there. Now those points have opened as the thing rotates, and the spark has already jumped. Now I'll turn it backwards and you'll see the points closing. Just there, they've closed. Now the magneto spins this way, spins towards us, and when it gets to a point here, somewhere about there, you can see the points open. That is when the spark happens at the spark plug. Rotate a little bit further and the points are fully open, and it's at that point that we adjust the gap with the feeler gauges. Use small open enders like these ignition spanners. Loosen this lock nut a little bit and then adjust the point gap to 12/1000ths of an inch or 0.3 millimeters with this hexagon. Then tighten the lock nut and recheck the points gap. Recheck it a couple of times just to make sure. You should aim to have those point contact faces as parallel as possible. A real good contact surface there. These old magnetos, these old Lucas, these old British magnetos, were not as bad as what we all think they were. They're actually quite reliable, and grab hold of that thing if you reckon they're no good. Now we'll test it on this oscilloscope. That's good. That's good. Excellent. Wow, look at this rise time. That is fast. Condenser looks good. Excellent. So why is points gap so important, and why do we need to adjust it before ignition timing? The points are a switch, and their opening, or switching off, must happen when the two coils and the magnets inside this thing are in their correct alignment. We cannot see these things, but it is important. Actually, this old Norton would occasionally lose its spark because the points were not adjusted properly and they were badly misaligned also. So now that's been fixed and we have a good permanent spark.